How to make money online. Shopify blog. Okay. So Shopify. So Shopify থেকে আমরা কিভাবে আর্ন করতে পারি চলুন দেখে আসি। So Shopify make 25 relaxability way to make money from home in 2022 plus 5 to avoid. Okay. So disclaimer, the top ranking articles for way to make money home. Would you need never tell a what I am about to tell you? To really make money online, you will have to unlearn the balance or your important informal digital education. Yes, you honor knowledge and experience build business your own instead. So there are no limited business building and you can sell whatever you want. The more determination in have, the more money you will make online. It's that simple. Skill skip the usually and website tester gig a become a business owner. Use this articles discover a new online business you can turn into extremely profitable venture uh, that pay more than $1 per survey. Okay, so free big A for beginner ideas. So help you important. Okay, so sell online percent sale online store point to sale buy button checkout channel wholesale market customer support tools and email marketing business chat Facebook ads make your business market your business. Then manage payment balance capture Shopee. So start free trial. Okay, then email address password you store home, then create a store. Okay, then business idea. So thank you.